Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OPPO Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 widgets for the home screen of this device. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, in order for you to access the widgets, you want to choose any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, and then tap and hold on it. Here at the bottom part of your display, tap on this widgets icon, and here we'll have all the widgets that are available at the current moment, divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the clock widget, which is located at the clock category. Here we have 3 designs to choose from, at least by default. Decide what fits your needs best. In my case, I'll go with this one because it contains not only time but also some basic weather data as well, and some other tiny stuff like current date or day of the week. So now then tap and hold at the widget, choose the place where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it right here, for example, on the top part of my main home screen, and press on done. Here this widget can be configured, or precisely the weather part of it. So basically tap on it, allow the location access, and it will just basically upload the current weather, as you can see right here. Alrighty, so the second widget that I would highly recommend on adding if you already don't have it is the Google search bar. So let's get back to widgets. Look for the Google category, and here we have the Google search bar. So tap and hold, choose the place where you want to drop it at. In my case, I'll leave it, well, for example, right here. Why not? You can also regulate its size by tapping and holding onto it. So basically, you can shrink it just like this, or make it wider. And the third widget, and the last widget for this video, is the calendar widget. So here we have it at the calendar category, 2 designs to choose from, like the small version and the full-scale one. So basically what this widget is good for, it allows you to monitor all the important things that are added to your calendar, for example, some events, reminders, some notes, and etc. It also shows the current and actual holidays and celebrations. So basically, by adding this widget, you are making sure that you will not forget about anything important that has been added to the calendar. So anything that, like reminder or event, you'll have an access at a glance to. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.